Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to delete a file from Google Drive on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Drive, and after also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. If you want to delete the file on your Google Drive, you just have to choose for the file first. For example, here I'm gonna delete for this file, guys. You just have to tap on this three dots icon. Now in this pop-up, you just have to scroll way down until we'll found out here the option which is remove, which means delete, guys. Now tap on this move to trash, and as you can see, for the file it's already gone in this page. And here to delete permanently, you just have to go to this three lines icon. For the file before, it's already moved to this trash option, guys. Just tap on it, which is you can access again for the file before. And if you want to delete it permanently, you just have to tap on this three dots icon again and tap on this delete forever. So tap on this delete forever again. There are no again that file on this Google Drive in this trash folder or on my Google Drive page like this. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.